Hey, it's Albert here with the hotel team. So I'm just kind of noticing off and on for a while here in Zendesk. So when I click take it, it goes to tech support, right? So it shows the tech support slash and then my name here. It's supposed to say obviously it's supposed to say hotel. Now, so if I do this and I find my name, then it comes up ClickFunnels Albert. So these are my only two options. I mean, even if let me see if I did hotel, go here. Let me see if that works. Okay, so I'm having to do this. I'm just realizing this now. Um, and then, when we get into our flow of tickets, it's just, I don't remember to type in hotel. So that affects my numbers of tickets, I would imagine. So I just wanted to make a video here on that. So obviously, this is just what I'm going to have to do now. Um, Last week it was I was able to get this when it to get the hotel by just typing in my name, and then I would click it, it would come up hotel. Now this week it's different, so it's just constantly changing. I know they're updating a lot of stuff, but this is it's affecting me, so affecting my tickets here. So all right, thanks guys. I just thought I'd let you know. Thanks.